Pedro's cup. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Matt and Gator to start their music lesson. Miss Polly sings Matt and Gator. Cup, cup. What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not worry, says Matt and Gator. I will link Dr. Brown Bear. Cup, cup. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car, and drives straight to playgroup. I've got a cough, says Pedro when Dr. Bear arrives. It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear, but it may be catching, so we'll give you some medicine. Cries Pedro. It tastes like an old shoe full of jam. Susie Sheep and Danny Dog started to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brown Bear, Pedro's cough is catching. He gives them both some cough medicine. Cup, cup. It tastes of carpet flavored yogurt, says Susie. Yuck, it tastes of flowers, says Danny. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? Asks Peppa. I never eat because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brown Bear. Soon it is home time and the parents are liable to pick up the children. I've got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brown Bear came to look after us, says Danny. The adults start coughing too. Cough, cough. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brown Bear, now all the grown-ups are ill, she says. Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take the cough medicine. It tastes like custard and old socks, cries Madam Gator. All the grown-ups must take the medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine. Who looks after you when you're ill? Asks Peppa. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brown Bear. I'm never cup. Dr. Brown Bear had caught Pedro's cough too. Who will look after Dr. Brown Bear? Gasps Peppa. Poor Dr. Brown Bear is taken to hospital. He had some beetles. Danny had brought some fruit. Susie had brought the medicine. Open wide, says Susie. Cries Dr. Brown Bear. It tastes like jammy yogurt flavored carpet shoe with flowery custard old socks. Soon Dr. Brown Bear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after, even Dr. Brown Bear.